Atumia na athuri aya kuma mwena wa Mbeere, Embu ya rugongo mambiriirie mubango wa guteithania kimeciria undu umwe na kuheana motaro. Gikundi giki giathondekirwo kumana na ngucanio iria ikoretwo cieheriirie micii-ini, na muoroto wao ukoretwo ari gucinyihanyihia na njira ya kuhe andu mweke wa kwiyaria mathina maria maragerera.
Maisha ya ndoa lazima kuwe na challenges, lakini nitasema ya kwamba kwanza mtu akiwa anajipenda, unjipenda sababu hata kabla wakati ya kupata huyo bwana ulikuwa binafsi.
Nimagite na mweke wa gukungwira wendo kuria marianire hamwe, undu uria umahete mweke wa gucenjania meciria na gutaukirwo kuria marabatara gucenjia na kurunga niguo micii irugame.
Everything that is good is done by the mouth. Everything that comes badly is also done by the mouth. Other parts of the body do not talk about hating or loving. It's the mouth that expresses what it feels. And I believe those people who go out and murder their friends just because maybe a girlfriend has run away from me, I do not need to spoil her life, cut her legs or spoil her. I should just let her go away. I think people should learn and let people learn to be patient.
Mutarani gikundi-ini giki Jane Mungai augite mbara nyingi cia kimucii ikoretwo igicungiririo ni andu kwaga umenyo muiganu wa uria magirirwo ni guikarania na korwo no maheo motaro njukaniriro nyingi itingiyumiria.
Out of family problems is not a one-day issue. It is not a plate of food take. It is not a medical drug like aspirin or Panadol take and the headache goes. Dealing with the family issues, it's a long plan. But when people have issues within the family, they don't know how to approach professional counselors or psychotherapists.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.